Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Monday laid the foundation for two prestigious development initiatives in Tura, namely Skills Park and Youth Centre and the Track and Field Stadium. The Skills Park and Youth Centre is being built at an estimated cost of Rs 24 crores, while the Track and Field Stadium at a cost of Rs 16 crores. Both the projects are dedicated to activities related to sports, entrepreneurship, development of youth in the fields of sports, athletics, art and culture. During the program, he also handed over M-Tab digital learning tablets to the students of different schools of Tura and also handed over checks amounting to Rs 28 lakh for 50 producer groups under focus program of the government. Laying the foundation stone for the projects, the Chief Minister said that the government of Meghalaya has accorded thrust to build iconic structures in the state. Various infrastructural projects like town beautification, smart town project, internal roads within Tura town, PA Sangma integrated sports complex are being implemented in the right earnest, especially in Tura, which is an important town in the Garo Hills. He also stated that all projects are aimed to ensure that the town becomes equipped with modern amenities and facilities. Conrad Sangma further informed that the PA Sangma Integrated Sports Complex will have a modern football ground which is expected to be one of the best football stadiums in the Northeast and which is estimated at an amount of Rs 128 crores. He added that on completion, the stadium will be ready to host national events like the Indian Super League matches and so on, and is expected to be ready by June or July.
Next, we will have students from St. Mary's High School, Dekhanchi R. Marak, Gambak K. Sangma, Jakrinchi C.H. Marak, Mr. Pitor G. Movin, Miss Presley M. Sangma, Miss Thamre Silanchi R. Marak, and Mr. Welvis R. Marak.
Diba, sa kanchi naman na. Tura town ni bakbata ramarang kon repair ka naman sa riyan pa sumay naman. Tura town at sini Garo Hills ni headquarter ko ba? Paman ba iconic project, talgapa getal project, talgapa structure pa sing getal sin at sing naman sa. PS Sangma sagini 1992 at sina Garo Hills na Tura na kang dunang pa auditorium ni isa mangmang wa auditorium ko si so collapse na patlet sa sakala. At sina Garo Hills ki isa ba track and field stadium ang dungjas na. Kung naman baka sila na ruta sila na Tura town na sina Garo Hills so baka at sina problem na kung sagro na. Diba dahil ko pa iso ni kasachi Tura town na sing dal pa iconic project yang kacil dalam kacil tu macam. Namin bisu ba. Garo Hills ni public ko ang nagtira. National sakansi ko ang nagtira sila. Meghalaya government ni at sini officer ang Meghalaya government ni at sini ditang political leader ang. Dalo jirang dalo Meghalaya state na. Niktak ija kam kain. Riya ka ba bansi ni dutsi kitam ni kiche ko COVID ni asel.